Angel alert! With recent market shifts and closures of some reverse mortgage companies, SunWest remains over 40 years strong and a longstanding leader in reverse mortgage lending. We're here for you and for your borrowers. At SunWest, we understand how important it is to meet your clients' expectations. So why not exceed them by closing their reverse loan fast? Go to heckham.swmc.com for all the information you'll need to use our simple tools, submit your reverse mortgage loans for immediate approval, and make your originations fast. If you'd like to learn more about reverse mortgage loans and why they're so popular in today's market, join us on Friday at 1 p.m. Pacific for a live anonymous webinar. Go to heckham.swmc.com for more information. See you Friday.
Welcome to The Interest. I'm Katie Jensen. With the market struggling, you'll likely feel the need to just put your head down and find the next sale. But it's also important to look up and see where the industry is headed. Blockchains are part of the future as more and more companies turn to technology. But what are blockchains? Our own Sarah Wolak talks with a panelist at the upcoming New England Mortgage Expo for this edition of Ask an Expert.
It's being used to originate mortgage loans. It's being used to trade and sell mortgage loans, and it's being used to track title history.
Blockchain technology is being used to perform seemingly all functions of the mortgage industry. But what is it? Haley Rice of Blue Water Financial Technologies says it's a decentralized public ledger.
It stores data independently of a centralized institution, so it relies on the members to validate and store versus a central authority.
Blockchains are most commonly associated with cryptocurrency, decentralized record of transactions. But it can also do the same in the mortgage industry, for example, with title history. Blockchains can also be used for smart contracts. Basically, if certain criteria are met, the contract is automatically executed.
You can essentially build a smart contract infrastructure where some of those transfers of funds and transfers of assets can be automated.
Of course, there are security concerns, just like with any technology. Companies using blockchain to share customer data better know the legal requirements and the risks.
They need to be prepared to sort of combine, varieties of existing privacy laws and data security laws, and also sort of anticipate which way those regulatory environments are going to go.
Want to know more about blockchains? You can join a local organization or attend conferences with panels on the topic, and you don't need to be an expert to attend.
But a lot of these organizations also run regular meetups, and the topics of those meetups are everything from Blockchain 101 to very advanced discussions.
Blockchains can also complement whatever technology you're already using. Some companies will go all in to find efficiencies wherever possible, but you don't have to.
Certainly possible to take a small piece, to start working with title history or start working with smart contracts or something.
For the Mortgage News Network, I'm Sarah Wolak.
Thanks, Sarah. And you can learn more about using blockchain for your business at the New England Mortgage Expo, which starts tomorrow at the Mohegan Sun Casino in Connecticut. Just go to anymortgageexpo.com to sign up. As we turn the page on the new year, National Mortgage Professional Magazine wants to feature you. Think back on your career. What is the best deal you ever made? We're not talking about the biggest deal. We want to hear about one that resonates with you personally. Did you help a single mom get into their dream home? Or maybe you met the love of your life. What was the deal that turned your life around? Share your story with us at nmplink.com/bestdeal. There's no fee, but the deadline for submissions is January 20th. Coming up, the holiday season is over, but Rocket Pro TPO is still in a giving mood.
Morgan of SunWest Mortgage is here to change the world of loan originations forever. From sending updates to your clients to allowing you more time, you can do it all in a simple chat. You no longer have to struggle with documents. All you need to do is select the files and upload them, and they're submitted in an instant along with your loan file. With SunWest, your true home is always within.
Welcome back. Rocket Pro TPO is giving brokers help with the increased cost for credit reports. Rocket's Fee Freedom initiative will provide brokers with free credit reports for loans closed with a Detroit-based lender. Late last year, the National Consumer Reporting Association notified its members that Fair Isaac Corporation, or FICO, would be raising its fees for credit reports this year. The increase varied by lender, 10% for the top tier of 46 lenders, 200% for 6 lenders in the middle tier, and for everyone else, the cost would jump 400%, according to the letter. Rocket Pro TPO's new executive vice president, Mike Fawaz, says the move will save brokers thousands of dollars per month. If you're closing 100 loans a month, a $60 fee would cost $6,000, a whopping expense.
Even if you're a smaller shop and you're pulling 100 credit reports a month at the fees, I mean, you're spending thousands of dollars. For us, it was simple.
This new initiative comes as wholesale lenders continue to jockey for business in a down climate. Last summer, UWM cut its rates by 50 to 100 basis points. Rocket responded with a rate buy-down, and other lenders followed suit. We'll be right back with what else is interesting.
I had to watch him go from so capable to a different person altogether, and it was really hard. We're hoping that this message gets to veterans out there who are in similar struggles. That's how fast SunWest worked. It was truly amazing. It makes me very happy to know that there's a company out there that cares so much, that they go through so much to help, because we never expected this. Never.
SunWest understands that your success is built one family at a time. Visit sunwestpartners.com.
Less than 5 months after a company executive told clients that correspondent lending continues to play a key role, Wells Fargo announced plans to exit the correspondent business. The nation's 4th largest bank announced strategic plans to create a more focused home lending business that includes exiting the correspondent business, as well as plans to reduce the size of its mortgage servicing portfolio. Additionally, the special purpose credit program the company announced in April that focused on lowering rates for customers refinancing will now be expanded to include purchase loans. The $150 million investment will reduce the cost for individuals in underserved communities looking to refinance or buy a home. The news comes less than a month after the Consumer Financial Protection Bureau ordered the bank to pay $3.7 billion for violations across several of its product lines, including mortgages. For more on these and all of today's top stories, go to mortgagenewsnetwork.com.